It's a nice warm one here today in Dallas. Gonna take her out on some back roads today. Get some cool new content for y'all. Alright, she's done. Let's go hit up these back roads now. In the car with Corbin. I know I've already teased where we're going, but Corbin, what do we got planned for today?
What's up, everybody? So we are going to meet up with a group of guys and do some backcountry road driving with a handful. I don't know how many cars are going to be there, but like supercars, R8s, Lambos probably. I think I saw a Z06 is going.
Oh, I don't have to see one.
Yeah, should be some cool back road driving, some fun. We just gassed up the RS6 and we're gonna take this bad boy out. Haven't driven her in a while.
No, we have not.
It's gonna be fun. See how this thing does against some supercars.
Heck yeah. And it's a beautiful day to take a back roads drive here in Dallas.
Yeah, we haven't done that in quite a bit.
No, it's been a hot minute.
Nice 70 degrees weather, so it's gonna be some fun. Hope y'all like the content we're gonna throw up here for today.
Definitely. We'll make sure we get some cool shots of the cars that we're gonna be driving with. Get some cool drive-bys, hopefully, and just kind of see where this road takes us today.
Yeah, we'll see y'all back in a little bit. It'll be a couple seconds for you, probably 15 minutes for us to meet up with everybody and start filming.
Stay tuned.
There's a pretty good mix of cars we got going on the cruise today.
Yeah, we did.
When we got down there, there's two Camaro ZL1s, there's a GT350, two GTRs, we got a F-Type R, which is looking freaking crazy.
Yeah, tastefully done.
Yeah, and then M4, it looks like a 911 turbo cab, a 911 GTS, and then there was a Supra. So, pretty good mix. And then you got us in the RS6.
Yeah, we're in the biggest car.
Yeah.
But not the slowest.
No, this thing will hang its own up there. But
oh, yeah.
I mean, right now we're just kind of cruising up towards our next meet spot, and then we're going to start hitting the back roads. So these guys are going a little on the slow side back there right now.
Yeah, we're all just meeting up at BUCEES really quick, and then we're going to be hitting up some back roads. So I think that's when we'll be more in a lineup.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
Yeah.
Driving extra slow right now, like sub speed limit, waiting for them to catch up.
Yeah, it's a little strange going this speed, but you know.
Yeah, it just wants to go fast.
Yes, you do.
Yeah.
She's a speed demon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, so gonna be excited to hit the back road with these guys. See what all these cars do together.
Oh
so,
yeah. So let's go have some fun.
Yeah. Stay tuned until we meet back up there. See y'all in a bit.
For sure. Alright, heading out to some back roads now. We've got some good clips of the cars that we're cruising with here, just leaving the BUCEES. Where are we going?
I have no idea. following some maps.
Okay.
But we did cause a ruckus at BUCEES.
Yes, we did. It was really awesome. It was like a car meet, car show going on. People driving by with cameras. A kid running by with his camera to get a shot of every single car that was there.
Dude, he almost ate it.
I know. He's running in flip-flops.
That was actually really funny. And everyone at the gas pumps were all like, had their phones out, taking pictures, filming it.
It was awesome.
All we were doing was just parking, waiting to go.
I know. Too funny. But now is when the real fun begins with some back road driving. So that is what we have been waiting for today. So let's get to it.
I love that you can hear the Jaguar like 4 cars ahead of us.
That thing is so loud.
I'm really irritated my phone does this all the time.
Yeah, it's messed up, man.
A few moments later.
So we're going to the back half of Gunter, cutting through and going over.
Okay, so the part where we never actually continued.
Yeah.
Let's get some of those clips too.
This big snitch handles.
Yeah, it does.
Which is so funny.
I know. Cause she bit. He's warming up his tires.
See what ours are at.
Oh.
They're warm.
Yeah. Oh, this is the one stoplight.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the sheriff out. That's funny that we're in the same area. Yep, there's the boarded up gas station.
We're gonna pass where we did our last video with the SQ5s.
Yep.
There's the police station.
Yep, with the 2 cop cars.
Oh, 3 today.
3 today. They on duty. All right, so y'all might recognize this area we're coming up to really quick. Did a little photo shoot over here with the SQ5, so you can check out that video. We'll have it linked up here.
Right up here on this left, this little warehouse.
Yeah.
Where I had the photos right there on that pad.
Where we had the train come by.
Yep.
Little right here action. Water is still there.
It's funny that we're going back to the same little town too.
I know. Gunter, man. Cool little spot.
Yeah.
Figured might as well promote one of our other videos. Damn it, I don't have a video. Might as well promote one of our other videos.
Okay. It's funny because I think these guys know this car is fast because it's an RS, but they don't expect it to be as fast as that.
No.
Because he wasn't pulling on us.
No, he was not. Oh yeah, we Gucci.
Tires are good.
We Gucci.
I like how the Star has heat sensors for the tires too.
I know, that's so dope.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
You know you're in the middle of nowhere when all you have is cows. There's a cow in the water? Oh yeah, look at that.
I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Yeah. Shit, this is an awesome road.
Yeah, it's just 2 fucking lanes.
Yeah. Amazing. All right, so we are wrapping up the back road cruising today because it was literally just cruising.
Yeah, no, the group we went with, cool guys, but they don't drive as aggressive.
It wasn't our typical high-speed cruise, I guess you can say.
Yeah.
It was still fun. We got some good back roads. We found some even better roads to start making some new content for y'all, so that was exciting. But we are cruising on back now. Hopefully we got some good shots to share with you here today, and definitely gonna make another day out of this, probably bring Reggie out with us.
Yeah, we'll have to take Reggie out, show him these back roads, maybe take one of the SQ5s also.
Yes.
This area that we just stumbled upon has some sick sick cornering and undulation, and it's just badass.
It's super smooth, you know, not your typical back road. I know in some of the on-board shots we'll share with you, there was probably some rattling because of the road conditions. So.
Yeah, they were like the definition of back roads back there.
Yeah.
Pretty ghetto.
But still fun. Definitely some cool cars that came out today. We had a taste of everything from Japanese, American, German.
You had the Japanese German car.
And British. We had the Jag.
Yeah.
So,
the Jag was sick.
yeah, that thing was loud.
Yeah, he's the guy that set it up. That thing was pretty cool.
Yeah, so overall, still a fun day. You know, definitely found some cool new stuff or spots to do some stuff. So that worked out. And looking forward to doing it some more.
Yeah, so hope y'all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. We'll drop some more. Sorry, it's been a little bit since we've had one before.
Absolutely.
But, you know, good things take time.
Exactly. So make sure you like this video below. Make sure you subscribe to our channel to get some more content coming your way. We're excited to share some new stuff with y'all.
All right, guys. Take care.
See ya.
That's fucking...
You know we're in small town when you have trike golf cart